Hi from LUXX Kitchen and Bath in Boise. We are continuing our showroom floor model sale, and today we have a lovely 36-inch Brittany Vanity from James Martin Furniture. Our sale price includes the backsplash, the countertop, sink, and of course the vanity cabinet. And this is a custom Pietra suede quartz top that we had made specifically for this vanity. It's a really beautiful top. Okay, the sueded finish means it's not shiny. It's a little bit of a matte finish. It's very, very beautiful. So let's look at this vanity. Right here we have a tip out. There's actually two tip outs, so you can put your sponges or other small items. This is obviously to make the best use of the space. The sink is right behind here, so instead of just wasting this space, James Martin put in these little tip outs. We have a nice cabinet here with shelving, and we have drawers. The drawers are lined with James Martin's signature aluminum, brushed aluminum drawer lining. Looks very neat and clean inside there. And then this is a double drawer. And the reason why the drawers are cut away a bit here is to make room for the plumbing pipes to go in. Our regular price on our website for all of this together would be $1,299. Oops, nope, I'm sorry. Regular price is $2,315. Our special price is $1,299, and that's if you come into the showroom to pick it up. The regular price, $2,315. Our showroom price, $1,299. If you don't have a truck to carry it away yourself, we can make arrangements for local delivery for a small fee. Any questions? Come on in the showroom, see the colors for yourself, and you can see the quality of these products as well.